Hey guys, Yasir Khan here, and I'm really excited to show you another marketing campaign for a dental office that we're working with. And it took a little bit of time for this campaign to really kick in, and that's totally normal. Different campaigns have different timelines. But now that the numbers are really working in our favor, I wanted to show you what a successful dental marketing campaign looks like. So let's take a look. All right, hello and welcome. And in this fairly quick video, I'm going to discuss some pretty great results of for another dental office we have been working with, and the name of that dental office is Queen Chinguacousy Dentistry. They're in Brampton, in the GTA in Canada, right? So if you can see the screen over here, we ran different campaigns for them. These two didn't really work out, so we didn't spend too much money here, but this worked out really well. And the campaign was for a free dental exam and an x-ray, right? So the idea here was to bring in people who would like to come in for a free dental exam. They pay nothing, and there was no direct revenue at the beginning, so there was no front end revenue, right? It was just a totally free offer. And the reason why we are using this offer is because if someone comes in for a free dental exam and they really love the experience, you can pretty much bet that they will be coming to the same dental office for the next 7 to 10 years, or sometimes even for 20 to 30 years, right? So it is all about the patient experience and how you portray yourself. Now, before I go further, I know that a lot of dentists would probably not want to offer anything for free because of past bad experiences in the past, and I totally understand that. Many dentists think that if they offer something for free, that they will only be getting freeloaders and freebie seekers who would just avail the free offer and never come back again. I am going to tell you that with experience, that is not really the case if you have systems which keep bringing these people in time and time again, and also market your practice on autopilot, and if you know your numbers. So if these two things happen, even if you offer something for free, you will make decent revenue at the back, right, at the back end. And this campaign is a prime example for that. Okay, so once again, we spent just a little over $300 in ad spend on Facebook for this particular dental office, just to show them something. If you look over here, they received 43 leads for the free dental exam, and the cost per lead on average was around $7, right? For the best performing ad, the cost was around $4. I don't want to get too technical, so I don't think there's a whole lot of reasons for me to show you the best ad, but generally speaking, the cost would be somewhere around there. Now, I talked to the office manager for this dental clinic, and out of these 43 leads, 8 of them actually came in for the free dental exam, and 3 or 4 of those 8, they booked other appointments where they came in for treatments and actually paid for those treatments. Some of it was for cleaning, some of it was for cosmetic dentistry. But the point here is that after spending $300, that dentist generated around $1,800 to $1,900 in revenue. Okay, so as you can see, there's a pretty decent ROI over here. Now, once again, this is a free dental exam. Okay, we're not charging anything for anyone coming in at the get-go. It is only after they receive the free dental exam that they decide to go after other treatments. Remember, the other reason why we're offering this free dental exam is because once you check what's happening with their oral health, you are able to prescribe treatments, right? And that is when many of them will say, yes, I'd like to go ahead with this treatment. When can I schedule another appointment to actually come in? This is how the top dental offices, this is just one of the ways that the top dental offices increase and make more money and generate additional revenue, by going one step further. Okay, and now I'd just like to take this time to show you what we are doing for this dental office. So pretty standard sign up form. They see this ad on Facebook, okay, and they are just required to enter their name, email address, and phone number to avail the free dental exam plus x-ray. We tell them what the value is. We also tell them that if they act right now, they can come in for free, right? We tell them there's only 66 spots left, and we create a little bit of scarcity over there. And once people enter their information, they get taken to a thank you page. We tell them once again that this is what they signed up for, okay? We have only a couple of spots left. They should call this number, and they should give the front desk this code in order to avail this free offer. So once again, what we're trying to do is get people into the dental office, okay, where they don't pay anything initially, knowing fully well that if we have a system implemented, many of the people who are coming in for free, once we do the free dental exam for them, we will find something which can be improved as far as their oral health is concerned. Sometimes they might need implants. Sometimes they might just need cleaning. In some cases, they might even need full mouth rehabilitation, right? Some of the people might need braces or Invisalign or something similar. The idea here, once again, is to show them that you truly care and to improve the experience, right? That they have when they come into your dental office. Because remember, dentistry is, see, people only trust dentists who really know what they're doing, right? So if you are able to show other people that you truly care and that you will take care of people actually coming into your dental office, I can virtually guarantee that many of these people, even if they haven't paid you anything yet, will return, especially if your dental exam has found something significant that they need to work on, right? So once again, we tell them to call the front desk, but from experience, I can tell you that not more than 20% of these people will call you. Okay, you have to call them. Your front desk has to call them within the first 5 minutes of them showing interest. Now, you will still see good results if you call them the next business day. But I'm telling you, if you do nothing else and just focus on calling people back who have shown interest within the first 5 minutes, you can easily double your revenue. I know it sounds really simple and trivial. It's not. Okay? Most dental offices are guilty of taking 1 or 2 or 3 days to call the person back or to text them back or email them back. If you call them back within 5 minutes, you would probably be shocked at the results. Okay? All right. So when they sign up, they see this thank you page, and at the same time, we send them 2 emails. The first one right as soon as they sign up. Okay? And we say, you sign up for the free dental exam plus x-ray, but you have to take these steps in order to call us so we can book your spot. Otherwise, this offer is valid for only 3 days. It's gonna go away soon. And please remember, people are very busy these days, right? The attention spans are really short, right? And they just have a lot on their mind. So we send them another email after 2 days of them signing up, telling them to call the office if they haven't already, okay? But once again, your front desk should be calling people as soon as they sign up. How will you know when they sign up? Because we're going to send you an email with all the information, the name, email address, and the phone number of the person who signed up, right there and then in real time, within 2 seconds. Okay, you'll get an email, you'll get a notification, and your staff, your front desk will know that, yeah, this person just signed up. I need to call them right now. Okay, so this I've been getting a lot of questions from dentists who at least think that offering something for free will get them only the wrong kinds of people, and that might be true, if you don't have systems implemented to keep bringing those people back for years to come. Okay, it might also be true if you don't know your numbers, but what we do for our clients is we implement an entire system which tells them, which allows us to gauge what the numbers are, fully record the data, and we implement systems so the dentist, the practice owner, doesn't have to do a whole lot in order to keep getting the same patient in over and over and over again. Okay, this is only what the top dental offices do. And I've talked to many dentists. It's just for every 1 out of 20 dentists that I talk to, their office has something similar to what we're doing for our clients. Okay, most of the other dental offices, they're just using the same old marketing strategies. Their front desk is using like a Google, like Excel or Google Sheets or a piece of paper to write down leads and their data and when to call who. And it's, to be honest, it's not really sophisticated. And what I'm trying to say is that unless you have an entire process and a system, you will not see good results. Your overhead will shoot up to 80% of your revenue. And that's where problems start, right? So yeah, this is a very small part of the overall system. I hope I could give you some insight. And oh yeah, before I forget, so here is the campaign: Queen, Chinguacousy, free exam and x-ray, exactly the same thing I was talking about. And sorry, 1 minute please. And I just want to make sure this is the right campaign. Yeah, it is, I think. Yeah, so these are all the 40 people who signed up. As you can see, Farah, Andrew, Baljeet, Sabiha, Maria, Rosemary. Basically, whenever someone signs up, we get this information from them. Okay, let's check it out. So we get the full name, at least the first name, the email address, and the phone number, right? And we send them 2 emails. Here you go, you can see these here. And the location was Brampton because this dental office is in Brampton. And yeah, all the entire list is here, and it gets forwarded to the front desk of our clients as soon as we receive a lead. And this is just one of the best ways to generate patients, not leads, but patients for your dental office. Okay, we work directly with you and your front desk, and we train the front desk staff as to what to say to these people who have shown interest to get them to actually come in. I can tell you from experience that you can generate 1,000 leads, and a lot of other marketing companies help you get leads. The problem is you will not be able to close those leads, because getting a lead and turning that lead into a patient is something very, very different. So that's what we help you with, right? And that's where an entire system comes into action, and that's what we do for you. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions at all, let me know, and I would be happy to help. Thanks.